the scenery. Let's try to, you know what? I'm gonna get into the right lane, just in case something goes wrong. Got nothing but distance between me and the cars. And I can always swerve up out the way. When I had a trainer, he taught me the Smith system. You know, aim high, steer, always keep a way out, make sure they see you. And let's see what else he was talking about. Something else. There's a few things that he said that make sense, you know, especially when you get in situations where you probably will lose control of the truck. You know, find an object to point at and just steer straight towards it. Hopefully I ain't got to use that technique and I have a safe winter. But things gonna get a lot worse. And it ain't even December, it ain't January or February. And as I can see, they clearing it up. Right now I'm on the tollway. Always remember, in the winter, take the tollway. And the reason why I say take the tollway is because they're going to keep the tollway clean. You know, they're going to make sure they get their money. So they don't need a dirty tollway, accidents. You know, all that takes from their pockets. But in the summertime, I usually run the back roads in different situations. Also, I found that here at this company, they don't do practical miles, they do zip code to zip code. So a lot of the miles is based on you taking the tollway, even though they tell you not to take the tollway. Which, come to find out, if you don't take the tollway, you end up running a lot of miles, but you don't get paid for those miles. So you just giving them free miles. So in my way of thinking, if you base the zip code to zip code off of the tollway miles, I'm taking the tollway. Besides, you're not paying me for dodging tolls. And that's what you gotta remember. A lot of companies will tell you, oh, we don't want you taking the tollway because of the tolls and the money. Well, are you gonna pay me to dodge the tollway? 9 out of 10, no. So why should I avoid the tollway? Especially, like I say, you basing the miles off the tollway. You know, that's just a food for thought. So things is clearing up, which is a good thing. And that's probably because I'm heading south. I can't really say what it's gonna look like once I get to Indiana and Ohio way. I know up there by Wisconsin, Green Bay, it's bad. Especially when I started my run. And you know, usually I start my run about 2 in the morning. So I might have to switch that up. I might have to, you know, start my run a little bit like 11 o'clock at night and see how that goes. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna be a smooth sailing from here, you know. I can increase my speed to about 60. And even though it look clean, you still got the bridgeways and the overpasses, which remains slippery at times. So, but never be afraid, man, to go the speed that you're comfortable with. Also, always remember, yeah, these other truckers, they doing 75, 70 miles per hour, but they gotta fill up every day. I fill up every 3 days, so I can afford to go slow. I got nothing but 3 days before my next fill up. So I get there when I get there, and usually I'm always on time. So I ain't in a rush. It looked like it's just spotting for real. Big snow flurry back there. Now it's clear up in this little area. I ain't even hit the Illinois state line yet. So I can't even tell you what Illinois look like. They say it should go up to 25, so snow, wind, it's definitely not a good day. But if you like this content, man, hit that like and that subscribe button. And you know, let's see how this winter go, man. We can ride this winter out together. Your boy, the Mad King.